What?
Oh no.
What? What did you do? What is this?
What have you done?
What? What have you done?
Look around. Guys, look around. What is this in the sky? Why is there loads of question marks everywhere?
It's the Riddler.
Yeah, it is literally the fucking Riddler. Just so
Temporary artifact.
Was so fun, so I'm just gonna fuck you with the ass tonight,
Monster
Harry.
items on death, but chests no longer spawn. What?
Oh, okay.
Warp? Where are we going?
Everyone
you
keep
just-
it on the map.
Oh, I see, it's just you. You just get sent somewhere. How long is this
My
staying?
card choice was something good or bad happens. Or I kill myself, or I kill myself.
Count is covered in Lunaflame. Oh god!
Oh shit, I shouldn't have done that. I just traded my card for an equipment drone.
The drone has no car.
Yep. I take it back.
Increased madness.
Otherwise the madness got that
Ben, what is your character, man? Like, what? This wasn't in last time we played this character.
It was, it's just
Why have I
I've become you! I've become you!
Oh god,
Why
I've
am I
become
you?
artificer!
What the fuck do I meant to do?
I've become artificer!
You know what? I'll stay.
Who am I? What am I? Where? What?
Okay, so you're a default class like Lula is.
Oh, I'm the shotgun guy. That's fine. Don't mind that.
Core blimey! What the fuck's going on? What is that noise? King's Haunt? What is that? When do we go back to our normal characters?
I would like to go back to my character. This is not.
I'm dead.
I can't even
The
rescue
light.
because I'm not my character anymore. It's spinning again. Beep beep.
There's a fucking car! There's a car!
How did this
Mama
STL?
shot himself.
I'm going fucking crazy in here. What has happened to Mr. Ray?
What the fuck is that? What are those? Why is that penis
I've gone from a melee character to a range. This is not good. I don't like this. Why are there worms? What are these?
Damage all random. I don't like that.
How has Ben got engineered? Again?
Yeah, I got engineering.
And I just had to have his shitty fucking character. I had to deal with his repercussions. I was teleported around the fucking map.
We're all dealing with the repercussions. I'm playing Flooded Artificer.
Oh, I just died.
Okay.
Oh no, we're
No,
back.
wait.
Switched.
Oh, we're back.
I'm dead
Where's
still.
Jesse? Where's your body?
I'm still dead.
Where's your corpse?
So now I teleported.
Oh, temporary artifact again. Oh god.
There you go, Jesse.
Oh, I'm back to me. Jesus, I'm back so much.
Another temporary artifact. Monsters will be only one type per stage.
Oh, Ben.
This is not good.
Go on, blimey.
Oh, I see.
Right, we can leave. We
He's
can
gonna
leave.
have to along.
We need to fucking leave. Yes. Here's the ukulele. Leave. Get me out.
Get it.
Increase madness. Go. What is bag of end to run?